find you the guys, the people. I'll link you to the people that I know. Just phone them up, shoot me an email, tell them what you got, ask them for a price. It may be on the website, maybe they made them. Because mine they never made one before, so too. But 320 quid for mine, pretty good. Really good actually. So now I found some private brakes, I'm so happy. It has actually stopped raining, but
yeah, the track's greasy.
As you said, it may. Yeah, this first part. It's a shame that brake jumper because it does put you off a little bit, doesn't it? Oh, you got a GoPro Mini?
Yeah. Got it on now, actually.
Sorry?
It's running right now.
Cool. They're quite cheap, aren't they? Really, they record good, don't they?
Yeah. 200 euros.
See, in the average laptop, you can have 3 cameras in it. You can have 2 cameras in it as well.
Yeah.
Just going through hats and back.
That it's greasy outside.
Yeah. So they emailed me racetracker.de this morning about shots from yesterday.
Yeah.
And they got one particular shot through the trees, so you can see my car after the trees, and it's really nice. So from that stop a right hander. This is where the GTR front fine, isn't it?
It's one steering angle actually.
Yeah.
That's what they say, and that's what it is.
Yeah. And that's the things about finding out about this track, the little things like that, that makes all the difference to make you safer and confident, you know. But it's 3 points does scare me because all of, you know, it's probably the worst. This and the Foxhole are probably the 2 worst places to, because of the speeds, you know. Wow, the brakes are good though. ABS kicked in there, didn't it?
Get around ABS there. This bit is
basically go to the right straight line here. Should be pretty straight from here. Okay, apex and see it straight enough. See just straight. That's it. Keep it straight. Little turn to the left, but it's more than straight.
Yeah.
And then you've got to be off to this apex, and then power through the you know, this bit. That's it. Nice. Your brakes are very good because the car's like, I reckon when this is a dry track, it's a bit odd, it's very winding. But see, front wheel drive cars, you've got to brake differently. You've got to put the power down differently. The funny thing is, there isn't a photographer for that to catch the jump. Nice. Very nice, yes.
start to hear the rears chirping, so that means they're warm as well.
Feel okay there, pretty much, because
Yeah.
I was worried about coming in mine, because
I was worried about the rear end going round. Keep power on.
yeah.
Keep power on. Keep power on. Keep power on. Stop now. Just get the front end.
So I don't come out far enough there. I should do, but I don't come out far enough there. Just realised that. I need to recycle. Which is the slowest corner on the track. Apparently. So when you watch GT4S's come down here, they don't brake pretty much until this barrier here now. I didn't mean to do that. And I'm like, God, because I broke almost top of the hill, almost when I'm full chat. They just brake so much slower. So I reckon if I do decide to get larger rear brakes, it may help with that.
Power!
I've gone uphill, you know.
I know, it's steep.
Yeah, they reckon it's as steep as Rouge, isn't it? Rouge. Should be flat for you. Yeah. This is one of those corners where you can be flat and you'll be alright. It's bumpy, but
Lauren said stay outside, stay outside.
who says that? Yeah. Who says that? Go on. When it's wet, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
No,
okay.
in general.
Okay.
Late,
right.
and
Lovely.
then to the inside. Late apex.
Have you been with him before then?
No. He
Okay.
told me to stay out on the outside.
I'm telling hard. But. So keep stick 3 apexes, 3 apexes. So stay left and keep the apexes. So keeps the left here. Then we're over. Like right over to that's it. So it keeps his apex. And it keeps the Nankang in there. Power, a bit more power. And it's
flat.
It's flat. And a bit
That's
more.
alright.
A bit more. And that's it. And then come out to the right. And it should take this flat. Should be okay. And then come on. Nice. So I reckon you should, if it's proper dry, you should be able to sort of way flatten your car all the way from basically Birdwood. Yeah. Can you do the next one under flat? I reckon you can, but you might want a bit of brake or lift. Yeah. So do you know Danny DC2?
Yeah.
He crashed here, didn't he?
Yeah,
he
he
right
did.
here.
He had a fuel tank flapping around.
So that is actually quite common with Japanese cars. And the fuel tank straps to rust.
That's not good.
I'd like to come up here one day. Do you think we get a chance to come up here one day? Maybe tomorrow if we get time or something. To come up to the carousel. We've been up here before the carousel.
Yeah. She shifted around there.
Let's go for the carousel now, innit? Look at it. You enjoyed that. And then you'll kiss this apex here. And then dig into the next one. Just start digging a hole this one. And then up into the left. I don't think you've got to brake too much here.
Yeah.
There's loads of grip in the car now. Cars are probably warmed up nicely. Just a lift, I think lift will be fine. Lovely. Put out the side shops, do some work there for you.
Yeah.
Keeping my weight out. So there used to be a bump here, right here years ago. They flattened it out, but it was so dangerous. Here was a mob of bump. You couldn't. So I don't think you should brake for these two. Maybe you should. Okay, you're fine. Yeah. He's gonna do it. Very nice. Very nice.
That's when they heat up. You hear that?
Yeah. Just not a nice man slide there. It wasn't, just the right amount. That's back.
Yeah, that's what I was talking about.
It's a bunchen. There's so many people here. There's nobody. I'm going to be a bit more careful on bunchen too, because this is the one where you catch a lot of people out because it tightens up quickly. Charging €150 for what?
4 hours, which is basically 4 laps.
No, it can't be 4 hours because it won't be out for 4 hours.
No, an hour, so 4 laps.
Oh yeah, sorry. So is it continuous, or can you speak to them and do a no lap? What I would like is to do a lap chat about things and have another lap, do you know what I mean? Just have a quick chat. Yeah, that's the way you learn, isn't it? Very nice, well done. This is probably my most confident two corners, these two. Don't know what it is about these two, because they're probably going to go uphill a bit. I can really nail these two hard when I'm on it. And also the small carousel. I'm still not quite sure when to turn into it though. I think every turn is different for this one. And then, what's this called again, this corner? Golden Cough? No.
Golden Cough.
Is it Golden Cough or something like that? Yeah. It is, yeah. So again, this is another corner where I can just really... This time is quite hard in the last right-hander. This goes quite tight. This I've really switched my tyres here, but already my tyres overheating by this point. There's a lot of temperature in the tyres, I've overheated probably, and my brakes are very hot. But now you get all this to cool it down. And then tomorrow, I was finding we go, what the fuck?
Yeah.
It's very bad.